Oh, what's up guys? Trying to make a quick video here. We're going to be unboxing the TurboSmart Raceport blow-off valve Gen V, Gen 5, 5th generation here. Yeah, I just recently got it in the mail. Haven't had the chance to install it in the car, but we're going to be probably doing that here in the next few days. Made in Australia, gotta love it. But let's take a look. Nice. Comes with all kinds of goodies in here. Gotta have the sticker, man. Let's see what else. Instructions, go online if you need them, I guess. We've got the, looks like a little block off thing here for the blow off valve, and then we've got the other nipple here for the vacuum, I'm assuming. All blacked out, which is nice. Leave that there for now, but let's take a look at it here. That is beautiful. Oh, man, that is nice. There it is. There's the Raceport. Also forgot to mention here in the intro, this is the what they call the Sleeper series, which means it's all blacked out. Let me turn this off here, there we go. It's all blacked out. Even the clamp is black, which I believe on the other ones it's silver. Same with the, man, I'm not sure what you call the inside of it here. The actual valve, I guess, is totally blacked out there as well. So again, nice little touch there. Comes with this here. I'm assuming if you want to just actually weld it up to your charge pipe, so you have that as well. But beautiful, beautiful blow-off valve there. It flows like crazy, allegedly. I mean, I'm sure it does. And if I'm reading everything correctly online, I also believe the Raceport here from TurboSmart will also bolt up to the, if you have a 50 millimeter teal, however you say it, blow-off valve, it should also bolt right up. So that is really nice that they thought about that as well. Whoops. So again, there's the part you can, whoops, weld to your charge pipe if you need to, which is really nice. Cannot forget the O-ring here. But yeah, overall really nice port here. Can't wait to put it on the car and actually drive it around. Full vent atmosphere, obviously. But yeah, there it is in a nutshell. If you're wondering what this box is here, it's actually the factory blow-off valve I have in here. I currently have on the car the compact plumb back, they call it. That is, it's basically, you'll take out the factory blow-off valve here to show you. It's basically the same similar design as your factory blow-off valve here. You know, pretty straightforward valve. Got some nice pressure to it. But again, it's TurboSmart, totally obviously re-engineered it, really holds up, boost really well. Obviously this setup right here is going to be recirculated back into the intake right before the turbo, obviously. So again, this one's full vent atmosphere, obviously. We've got this one, full recirc. Again, the compact one, all blacked out as well. I have currently on the car, so I'm probably going to pull that out, put this guy on. I also have a flange coming in, but yeah, just want to show you guys a quick video here. Again, very nice clamp, everything's blacked out. I really like this one. I've seen other ones in person, but this one is, obviously here's the two fittings. You can take a spanner wrench as well and clock it however you want. I don't really see the issue there since you have, I mean, it's a V-band setup, so you could obviously turn it on there as well. But again, overall, super, super nice valve there. Can't wait to put that on. Yeah, so just wanted to show you guys, give you a quick rundown there. If you're interested, obviously check it out. But yeah, Sleeper series, again, nothing fancy, just all blacked out. Everything else is obviously exactly the same as the other ones. But yeah, super nice valve. Always killing it from TurboSmart.